Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's fine, and check this out. So we are back in our beautiful hostel project, and look at all the different designs that we have done, right? So make sure you check videos out for all of them. There are so many beautiful, you could say, there are a lot of things to learn, right? For today we are going to be making a beautiful walkway. At this point it's going to be sort of a ceiling, sort of a walkway, and exterior walkway, all right? And we are going to be using the very simple beam system, so it's going to be fun. Let's quickly get started. The first thing is we have to go to load family, and we have to import, you could say we have to import a structural framing member. And after that, when we bring this to the left a little bit, and the structural framing, it's right here, right? So 1, 2, and this is the one that we imported. Okay, so we'll make sure you keep that on point. After that, let's go to a structure right here, let's go to the beam system right here, let's go to the set right here, and let's set this to level number 2. Perfect. And let's go to right here, and let's go to a rectangle right here, and let's go to from this point to this point right here, and let's go to our beam systems, and let's choose that to be our beam systems. And for the distance, I think 500 would be more than enough. And if you press OK, and check this out. All right, so these are our beams, and they'll only show if you go to find, and this is our beam system, all right? Our beautiful, you could say, beam system. And now we have to edit the angles and the elevations a little bit. And there's also another thing that I have done is that for example, let's go back to a level 1, and there's a reference plane that I've added, which is named something different. And let's go to our 3D view right here, and let's go back to a structure, let's go to the beam system, and let's go to our set right here, and let's set that work plane that we have made. This is that work plane. Let's go to our rectangle right here, and let's choose this, and the other corner, let's choose it to be this, and let's go to the modify, and let's go to this angle right here, let's go to right here, let's go to wireframe, and oh my god, I'm talking so fast. And this is the first, you could say, and this is the second one. This one, let's bring it a bit down, let's bring that a bit down, and perfect, right? So everything's good. After that, let's press OK, and let's go to the edit boundary. We forgot one thing, which is the beam direction, and this is going to be the beam direction. Let's press OK, and check this out, guys. So this is our beautiful look at what we have done within minutes. All right, so this is the beam system. And now, how do we make this a bit more beautiful? How do we play with this a little bit? So the next thing is, let's try to grab one of them. Let's press SA to select all of them. So let's unpin it, right? So unpinning is the first process. After that, let's try to grab this and control, and grab this and control. Okay, so we have alternatively selected our beams, and let's go for -1000, and this is gonna be +1000. Which is the offset. And yes, check this out, guys. So very beautiful. And now let's do the same thing for the other one. So I mean, my point is, we set this to -1000 and +1000, and in this case it's going to be +1000, which is the offset, +1 meters, and -1 meters on that side. And we are going to have sort of a beautiful, you could say, an angled sort of a triangle shaped walkway, right? Let me quickly do that for all of them, and we'll be back. All right, so I have selected all of them, and for example, let's go to this, let's give it a 1000, and this one can be -1000. Let's press OK, and yes, so this is it, guys. Look at what we have done, and all of that within minutes. And let's go back to our level 1. Can we see our you could say, so let's try to make 2 doors. Let's delete that, delete. Okay, and apart from that, let's delete and delete. Okay, and let's try to make another, you could say, sort of a passway. Delete, and okay, delete, and let's go to our 3D view. Yes, and this is it, right? So this is the beautiful, you could say, the walkway using the beam systems within minutes. All right, look at how beautiful this is. And let's try to add another beam system sort of in the middle, which would be a support. For example, let's go to our structure right here, let's go to our beam systems right here, let's go to level 2, and let's go to the top right here. Let's set this to back to our not reference, our level 2. Okay, and let's go to this point right here, and let's go to our hidden lines, let's go to our rectangle, and let's try to okay, this point right here, let's go to a beam direction. That is going to be a beam direction, and let's go to fixed number, and the number is going to be 1. Let's just try to see what we have done. And you know, from the beam type, how about we go for something circular, which is a structural member. Let's press OK and let's see what happens. All right. So this is what we have. All right, I mean, this is the middle, the design that you can call it the design. And guys, let's try to let's go to this, and let's try to extend this a little bit. Let's go to the top right here, and let's go to the left, and left. Come on, and okay, let's press OK, and here you go. Right, so this is the middle joist, or the joint, whatever you want to call it. All right, the middle joist, the king post. It's even called the king post. And let's try to click on one of them. Let's press SA, and let's change the color of this. I really like the color mahogany. There's a reddish sort of a wood. All right, and let's press OK, and now all of the materials are also going to change. And for this post right here, let's try to go to structure materials right here. Let's go to our structure materials, and let's go to right here, and let's go for CHROME. Okay, the beautiful shiny chrome, and replace. Okay, steel chrome. Let's go to render appearance. Let's press OK, and come on, let it quickly load in. So this is it, guys. Look at how beautiful, you could say a very nice walkway that we have made within minutes using the beam system, right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this, right?